Hi, check out this Noisy Things That Go book. This is such a fun book. It's interactive. It does have an on and off switch on the back. It has 6 different car sounds. If your kids love cars, they're going to love this book. It also has different textures for each of the sounds. You can see the pages are really colorful. Then the final page just has all the cards together and it makes all the sounds when you press the button down here. My son loves this book. He loves cars, he loves pressing the buttons, and he asks me to read this over and over again. So if you're looking for a nice interactive book, I highly recommend this Noisy Things That Go.